Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
QuickBooks Desktop Pro provides you with various reports that display general job information, job costing information, and estimate information. You can access these reports from the Reports menu within the menu bar under the Jobs, Time, and Mileage Report category in QuickBooks Desktop Pro. Let's review the names of the reports and their descriptions. First, you have the Job Profitability Summary, which summarizes the money made from each customer's job. You also have the Job Profitability Detail Report, which shows the details of how much was made for a single selected customer's job. The Job Estimates versus Actual Summary Report compares estimated cost to actual cost and estimated revenue to actual revenue for all customers and jobs. The Job Estimates versus Actuals Detail lets you select a specific customer or job and then compares estimated costs to actual costs and estimated revenues to actual revenues. The Job Progress Invoices versus Estimates report compares estimates to the estimates progress invoices. The Item Profitability report shows how much money has been made from each item sold. The Item Estimates versus Actuals report for each item compares estimated cost to actual cost and estimated revenue to actual revenue. The Profit and Loss by Job report shows how much money has been made or lost on each job. The Estimates by Job report lists all estimates by job. The Unbilled Costs by Job report shows all unbilled costs for each customer job. Finally, the Open Purchase Orders by Job report shows all open purchase orders for each customer job.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.